You have done it. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, my dear brothers and sisters, this is not about motivational speaking. This is about one setting goal for himself or herself. Hilda will love you. Hilda Baci, the new world record breaker. She has beaten the record, having cooked for over 87 minutes, 87 hours, 40 87 hours 45 minutes, more than, this is higher than what the Indian lady that has been holding this record. Congratulations. Please follow my page, Wide Mouth Nigeria. Share this video and continue to be with us so that we will do more. God bless you.